So I'm going to show you how to make a natural oil. We need olive oil and we need castor oil and we need coconut oil. I have used Patanjali, you can use any of them, okay? So, and this is a container, neem leaves, curry patta, vitamin E capsule, and a fry pan, and one important thing, onion. So now we are going to heat. First of all, we are going to add coconut oil in the pan. And then we are going to add olive oil. And then we are going to add castor oil. Now vitamin E capsule, 2-3 you add in it. And I'm using curry patta leaves. So curry patta leaves you can cut and add in it, and that chip sound will come from it. Okay. And this is vitamin E capsule which I told you that we would add. So now I am adding it. Okay. So this vitamin E capsule, you can buy it from your any medical nearby your place. Okay. Now chip sound is coming. Now we are going to peel onion, and then we are going to grate onion. Now this grated onion we have poured in the pan, and the chip sound is now coming. The onion has become red, and now I am just taking this out. When it gets cold, we can add it in the container. Now for this time we are adding into this bowl. In this way you have to add in it. Then after it gets cooled down, you can pour this oil into your container. Thank you for watching this video. So guys, here is the result. You can see longer, thicker and smooth and healthy hairs. So, and you can apply this hair oil before you shampoo your hairs. You leave it overnight. So don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel, and you can give me views on comments how this remedy worked for you all. Thank you.